What if you could type a simple script and instantly get a complete professional-grade video, with stunning visuals, synchronized dialogue, and immersive sound, all ready to publish in minutes? It might sound like science fiction, but in 2025, this is the new reality for content creators. With the groundbreaking release of Google's Veo 3, the power to generate entire videos from text prompts is not just possible, it's happening right now. And the best part? This technology isn't just a creative toy. It's a powerful new way to build an audience and generate real income. Yes, you can absolutely monetize these AI-generated videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how. We'll even look at how one creator used it to produce a 60-second explainer video for a client, turning a simple idea into a paid project overnight. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. We'll start by exploring what Veo 3 is, and what makes it so revolutionary. Then, I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it, from writing your first prompt to exporting your final video. After that, we'll dive into the most exciting part, proven strategies to monetize your creations. And finally, to ensure you're creating safely and effectively, we'll cover the essential precautions and best practices so you can avoid common pitfalls and stay out of trouble. My name is your name. And on my channel, Earn with AI. I specialize in teaching people just like you how to leverage the latest artificial intelligence tools to create new income streams online. I've spent countless hours testing these platforms, and I'm here to share what actually works. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start creating and earning with one of the most powerful AI video tools ever released. Let's get started. Explanation. Veo is Google's AI text-to-video model. In the latest version, Veo 3, it doesn't just generate visuals, it also generates synchronized audio, dialogue, ambient sounds, music, along with visuals. Why it matters: automates a large chunk of video production which is normally time-consuming: shooting, editing, voiceover. Limitations and availability: currently accessible in limited regions. Some features may be in beta, depends on your locale. Alright, let's dive into the practical, step-by-step process of creating with Veo 3. We'll start with the very first thing you need to do: getting access and setting up your account. Step 1. Access and setup. As of now, Veo 3 is in a limited beta phase, which means you'll likely need to join a wait list through Google's official channels. Once you receive your invitation email, the setup process is straightforward. You'll create an account, agree to the terms of service, and you'll land on the main dashboard. In your account settings, you can manage your subscription details. For developers or advanced users looking to integrate Veo into other applications, this is also where you'll find the option to generate an API key. For most creators, you can simply ignore this and focus on the web interface. Step 2. Prepare your prompt. This is where the real magic begins. The quality of your output is directly tied to the quality of your input. A great video starts with a great prompt. Think of yourself as a director and screenwriter combined. You need to write a detailed script that includes not just the visuals, but also any dialogue or voiceover, and specific scene transitions. A well-structured prompt should clearly define the scene, the subject and their actions, any camera movement, the overall mood and lighting, and crucial audio cues. For example, a basic prompt might be, "a car driving," but a detailed prompt would be much more effective. Scene: a vintage red convertible driving along a winding coastal road at sunset. The lighting is golden hour. The camera is a cinematic wide shot, tracking alongside the car. The audio includes the sound of ocean waves and a gentle classic rock song playing on the car radio. See the difference? Specificity is your best friend. Don't forget to include instructions for ambient sounds like rain falling on a window pane, and specific camera angles. Use terms like close-up, wide shot, dolly zoom, or drone shot to guide the AI with precision. Step 3. Generate the video. With your masterpiece of a prompt ready, it's time to bring it to life. You'll copy and paste your prompt into the generation field and hit submit. Your request is then sent to the processing queue. Now, you'll need to wait a bit. The time it takes can vary depending on the complexity of your request and how busy the servers are. This is a good moment to grab a coffee. Once it's ready, you'll be able to preview the initial output directly in the interface. Watch it a few times to check for consistency, quality, and how well it matched your prompt. Step 4. Refine and iterate. It's rare to get a perfect result on the very first try. This step is all about iteration. If the video isn't quite right, don't be discouraged. Go back to your prompt and make some tweaks. Try rephrasing descriptions, adding more detail, or removing a constraint that might be confusing the model. Changing a person to a woman in her 30s with red hair can make a huge difference. Once you have a version you're happy with, you'll likely want to do some post-production. Export the clip and bring it into a standard video editor like CapCut, Adobe Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve. This is where you can polish it by trimming clips, adding graphic overlays, adjusting colors, and perfecting the audio mix. Step 5. Finalize and export. We're on the home stretch. The final step is preparing your polished video for the world. In your video editor, choose your export settings. For most online platforms, 1080p resolution at 24 or 30 frames per second is a safe bet. This is also the time to add your branding elements, like a custom intro or outro, and any necessary credits for music or other assets you've used. You can layer in a background music track to enhance the mood, insert your own B-roll footage to break up the AI-generated content, and add any final text overlays or logos. After exporting, your video is ready to be uploaded and shared. Now for the exciting part, turning your AI-generated creations into real income. Veo 3 isn't just a creative tool, it's a powerful engine for building multiple revenue streams. Let's break down the most effective strategies, starting with the most direct. First, traditional YouTube ad revenue. By creating compelling long-form content for a channel, think faceless history documentaries, tech explainers, or visual podcasts, you can monetize through ads. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you earn based on views. With a conservative RPM, or revenue per 1,000 views, of $5, a video that gets 100,000 views could earn you $500. Second, maximize your assets by creating short-form versions for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. These clips act as powerful funnels driving traffic to your monetized long-form videos or other products. It's about working smarter, not harder, by repurposing every piece of content you generate. Third, freelance and client work. This is a massive opportunity. Businesses need video content constantly. You can offer services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. For example, a SaaS client might need a 60-second explainer video. You could scope the project to include AI visual generation and basic editing, charging anywhere from $300 to $800 for a turnaround of just a few days, a fraction of the time traditional animation would take. Fourth, course and tutorial sales. As you master Veo 3, you can package your knowledge into a digital course, teach others your prompting techniques, editing workflows, and monetization strategies. This creates a valuable asset that generates passive income. Fifth, affiliate referrals. If Veo or similar AI tools offer an affiliate program, you can earn a commission for every new user you refer. By sharing your unique link in your video descriptions or on your website, you can build another steady income stream simply by recommending the tools you already use. Finally, sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands may pay you to feature their products in your AI-generated videos. This could range from a simple product placement to a fully dedicated video, offering significant earning potential. By combining these strategies, you can build a diversified and resilient business around AI video creation. Prompt detail matters, more descriptive, better output, use human oversight. AI can make mistakes, weird lip sync, nonsensical visuals, combine with B-roll, engine stock for richness. Stay ethical, no copyright violations using prompts that mimic trademarked characters. Test small, scale gradually. Copyright samen, Hakuromer minds, licensing issues, if AI used copyrighted materials. Quality issues, AI may hallucinate or generate odd visuals, region restrictions, beta access platform policies. YouTube and social platforms may have rules for AI-generated content. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, hit notification bell. Tell me in comments, will you try Veo 3 for your videos? I'll be making more AI tool tutorials. Stay tuned.